Replace values in array using mask another array. I have a 1D from array, call it from, containing values with an associated boolean mask array, mask, same shape as from. Then I have a third replace array, repl, also 1D but shorter in length than the other two. With these, I would like to generate a new array, 2, which contains the from values except where mask equals true, in which case it should take in order the values from repl. Note that the number of true elements in mask equals the length of repl. I was looking for a clever numpy way of implementing this. I looked at methods like np.where, np.take, np.select, np.choose, but none seem to fit the bill. Cutting to the code, here's what I have thus far. It works fine but doesn't seem numpythonic? Or even Pythonic for that matter. Yields 1, 200, 3, 400, 500. Background: the reason I need to do this is because I'm subclassing pandas pd.dataframe class and need a setter for the column/index. As pd.index cannot be sliced indexed, I need to first copy the index/column array, replace some of the elements in the copy based on the mask, and then have the setter set the complete new value. Let me know if anyone would know a more elegant solution to this.
NumPy solution. It's pretty straightforward like this. Then to returns. Pandas solution. If your data frame looks like, then you can use log. Then your data frame looks like.
If you want to see more, it's on the system.